welcome to the beautiful Disney Beach Club. 3617. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am showing you everything that we have to offer here at Disney's Beach Club. We're doing a room tour video, and we actually were lucky enough to get upgraded. We booked a standard room and they did upgrade us to the water view room. So come and check it out. So we have a lovely picture of Mickey and Minnie there. And when you first walk in here, we have a little, I don't know if you call this a dry bar. It's got your Keurig here where they've given you some K-cups here with coffee and tea. We have an ice bucket. And this is a little drawer, I guess, where you would put more here. We have your mini fridge. This is actually a beverage cooler. So this is a standard beverage cooler. You can hear my daughter in the background.
Mommy.
All right, up here we have extra pillow and blankets. We have a luggage caddy, which we'll be using in a second when our luggage comes up. Now, the one complaint with Beach Club here is that, like most resorts, you have a sliding barn door, and that is missing here. So that is the one bad thing about staying here. So we have a double sink vanity, and now all the Deluxe and all the way through Value are giving these gigantic bottles of hand soap, which I really appreciate because I always had to use the soap and bring our own and whatever. So I really, really appreciate that they're giving your own hand soap now. So we have a double sink vanity, and under here there's a little bit more shelving space to put your makeup bags or anything else you might have brought. And then looks like we've got outlet on this side with the vanity mirror. Now here is we have a full-length mirror, and we have the glass shower doors in here with the formerly known as H2O products, which I just mentioned in all my vlogs, and beautiful bathtub. I love the tile work. We have a looks like a rain shower head. Standard. Feature me here. I just noticed as we need to start hanging up some of our pool clothes, there is only like 4 hooks here. Just thought I would point that out. But a lot of Disney's, if you didn't know this tip, I didn't know until I come a few times. This pulls out in all the Disney resorts, and it becomes like a little clothesline, and it connects over to that thing right next to the shower head. All right, and we have so much space here. So even we could probably put our stroller here right in the walkway. But what we've done is we've put our stroller right here next to the adjoining door, which we're obviously not going to be adjoining anybody. Now we have 2 queen beds. Now there's a thermostat. Got a lovely picture of Daisy at Beaches and Cream. And here we have overhead lighting, which is a little bit different than a lot of these will. Have the overhead like reading lights. So this is a little bit different. So it kind of turns on both sides, but a lot of brightness in here. And I really love, I know I said this in my last room tour video, but really love the shell tile work on the bed, the headboard, really nice. All right, over here we have the Hey Disney, which is just like your friend Alexa at home. Now, usually it's set to disabled. I notice it's trying to recognize me right now, which tells me it was not. So if you are not comfortable with them listening on you, you could disable it. There's like a switch usually.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Usually you press this button right here, and it will disable if you're not wanting for them to listen. But this is a great way to communicate with Disney if you want. Like I know we used it yesterday at Pop Century. We could order towels, extra towels, coffee, etc., all the things. All right, so here we have the USB ports. We have two standards. And then we have pretty sizable drawer here. You could put some packing cubes. 2 of these next to the bed. You could also put your laptop. Now, like Disney does with most of their hotels, we have the lofted beds, so you can fit your luggage right under the bed, which is amazing. So it's not taking up room. Oh, we got the Hoya party here. So then over here, we have, this is where you can charge all your magic bands, your phones, anything else, electronics that you brought here. So we'll have 2 regular ports, 2 USBs on both sides. I also recommend if you came with a big family with lots of things to charge, getting one of those power strips or like the charging towers. Those are great to bring. All right, so then we have some drawers here. Very deep, so you could put a lot of things in here. This is great space for families. So we have, it looks like 3 drawers, and then 2 deep ones, and then 2 regular. Now they've upgraded us, which was nice because we have 5 people in our room tonight. So they've upgraded us to a sofa sleeper. Not all of them come with it. So just make sure that you're putting the correct party on your reservation. Because I know that we've also stayed at Beach Club before where they've not given us the extra sofa. And I think pretty sure last time we didn't have it. So if you're curious about that, you can check out the other room tour to see how much space you have if you are only like 2 people or 3 people. All right, so we've got this lovely artwork here with Donald and Huey, Dewey, and Louie playing down at, I forgot what the pool is downstairs. It's called, I'll put on the screen if it's like Hurricane something. I'm totally blanking out. But you know what I'm talking about. It's the pool downstairs. Yes, and is it comfortable? This is my 4-year-old Lucia. She comes on all of our Disney trips. You'll see her in a lot of my vlogs. How does the bed feel? Does it feel comfortable?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. All right, and then if you are actually coming here to work from home, we have a little office desk in here, which is nice. And we also, yes, family day tomorrow. And we've also, if you want to eat breakfast in your room, this also pulls out to a little side table, which is really nice. You can actually roll this right on over to the sofa, which is great. Again, additional outlets here as well. So they have plenty of outlets and charging space here. And another mirror. This is a very, very nice room. And we have more lighting here in the corner, which we don't have on right now. Let me turn that on. There we go. Let's get some light up in here. All right, and we opened this, and if you're watching this video now, you could see there is some construction outside. We're going to go ahead, and I'll bring you to my next complaint of my beach club stays. As you can see, I don't know if it's going to come out on the video, the balconies are very tiny. Unlike anything you will see at any other deluxe resort, this is the most tiny space. You can't put a chair out here. It's basically enough for one person to come out and take a look. And some, I believe, don't even have balconies. But we do have a beautiful view of Crescent Lake here. So very nice.
A nail.
Complaint I just thought of after they delivered our groceries here that I'm adding in after I've already closed out the vlog is there's kind of like lack of shelving. Would be nice for like putting a bottle of water and stuff. So this drawer, we've just kind of put some of our snacks we've been collecting.
Mommy.
All right, so we've been, putting our snacks in there, but there is like shelving up here. So I think that's where we're gonna put our extra water up here. And if you were bringing like soda or something, I think that will be, but again, not a complaint, just something I noticed from like some of the other resorts. It would be nice if they had that. So like I was mentioning in the vlog, I love this resort. my only two complaints, which is very minimal here, so don't think I'm a complainer. This is just, if I'm trying to be honest with you, would be the lack of the sliding barn door. So that way you pretty much have, if you want to get ready, you're gonna have to like get ready with minimal lighting in there if you don't want to wake up your family. I love some of the other resorts where you have the sliding barn door so you can kind of enclose yourself, get ready without waking everyone up. The other one would be the lack of space on the balcony. But other than that, I really love the close proximity to Epcot. You could walk there, you could take the boat, you could walk to Hollywood Studios. I think after this, we're going to Hollywood Studios. So I think we're going to be taking the boat over there. We love the pool. This is going to be our fourth time, I think. Well, it's our second time at Beach Club, but we've stayed at the sister resort Yacht Club before, so we're familiar with the pool, and it's just amazing. So even if you want to come for a staycation, which is almost what we're doing, because we're just doing like a half day here at Hollywood Studios, we're going to utilize the pool today and tomorrow. They have great breakfast options both here and at Yacht Club, so definitely there's a lot of room for families. There's going to be 5 of us in here, and I think we don't have to worry about becoming too like crowded, because these rooms have a lot of space here. Otherwise, beautiful, gorgeous resort. I know they do have a lot of weddings a lot of times here. And yeah, there's sand for the kids to play also outside. They do other things like movies under the stars at night. They do a lot of activities, so be sure when you check in to go ahead and check what the activities are for the day so you don't miss anything that you want to do. I know like even by the pool, they have certain like games and activities during the day if you're doing an off day and you're not going to the parks. Alright, so I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. If you made it this far and we're not already friends, please go ahead, stick around and subscribe. I share a lot of room tours, Disney vlogs, Disney packing, all of our trips, and I do share, I'm not a travel agent, we just come to Disney a lot, so I do share a lot of room tours, Disney vlogs, Disney packing, other things around the holidays. We do like Easter basket, what's in my daughter's Easter basket, Christmas, all the things. So if you made it this far and we're not already friends, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, it really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.